Ready to supercharge your Discord server management on the go? Let's dive into creating and assigning roles right from your phone. First things first, open your Discord app and tap on the server you want to manage. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap those to open the side menu. Now, in that menu, you'll see your server name at the top to the right of your server name. There's a small gear icon. That's your server settings. Tap it. You're now in your server settings. Scroll down until you find the roles option, usually located under the user management section. Give that a tap. Here you'll see any roles that already exist on your server. To create a brand new role, look for the ++ icon, typically located at the top or bottom right of the screen. Tap that plus icon to get started. Now you're on the Create Role screen. The first and most important thing is to give your role a name. Type in whatever makes sense for your community, like moderator, VIP, or member. You can also assign a unique color to your role, which will appear next to the member's name in the chat. Tap the color circle to choose from a palette, or enter a custom hex code if you're feeling fancy. This is the heart of role management. Permissions. Scroll through the list of available permissions. Think about what you want this role to be able to do. For instance, if you're creating a moderator role, you might want to enable kick members, ban members, and manage messages. Carefully review the permissions you've selected. Once you're happy with the role's name, color, and permissions, tap the Save button, usually located at the top right. And just like that, you've created a new role. Now, let's assign it to someone. Go back to your server's main screen by tapping the arrow in the top left. Find a member in your server. Tap their profile picture to bring up their profile. On the member's profile, you'll see a ++ icon, often near the top. Tap this to add roles. A list of all your available roles will pop up. Simply tap the role you want to assign to this member. You can assign multiple roles if needed. You can see the assigned role clearly displayed on their profile. That's it. You've successfully created and assigned roles, giving you powerful control over your Discord community. Now go forth and organize.